helping, Nana.
Oh, thank you, ZOU. So you have. Oh, but I don't think I ordered these. What are they?
They're my walkie-talkies. See you later, Nana.
Bye, ZOU. ZOU!
Coming, Nana.
I left my hat in the kitchen. Could you be an angel and fetch it for me?
Okay, Nana. On my way. Nana, I've got your hat.
Thank you, ZOU. So kind going up and down those stairs. I meant to ask you earlier, what are those, walkie-talkies?
They're a bit like a telephone. See, you press the red button here, and you talk into it, and you can hear me coming out of the other one.
Oh, you certainly can.
The trouble is, there's no one around to play with me. Unless... Nana, I've got a great idea. Why don't you have one of these?
Me? But, well, I don't know. They're awfully modern.
They're really easy to use. And then, whenever you need anything, you can call me.
Well, yes.
Thanks, Nana.
No!
It's all right. It won't bite you, Nana. Press your red button. Now talk into that bit there.
What do I say?
Anything you like, but Nana to ZOU would be a good start.
Nana to ZOU.
Well done, Nana. ZOU to Nana, receiving you. Over.
Over what?
Over is what you say when you finish speaking.
Oh, it's all very confusing.
No, it isn't, Nana. You'll soon get the hang of it. Just remember to press the red button. Over. Ooh, Grandma! Those cookies smell yummy.
You'd better have one then. Go on.
Maybe Nana would like one of these too. They're her favourite.
Well, why don't you pop upstairs and ask her?
No need to go upstairs. ZOU to Nana. ZOU to Nana. Would you like one of Grandma's choc chip cookies? Over.
Oh, yes, please, ZOU. Oh, I mean, yes, please. Over.
Oh, ZOU! That is clever.
I found this during my garage clear-out. Any use to anyone?
Maybe Nana would like it. I'll just ask her. ZOU to Nana. Grandpa's found a vase. Would you like to have it? Over.
Well, yes. But has it got any flowers in it? Over.
It soon will have.
I see your walkie-talkie came in useful, ZOU.
It's brilliant, Grandpa. Flowers, bars and cookies coming right up, Nana. Over.